Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Baby Yoda. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the top of Baby Yoda's head. And I'm going to draw a curved line going across my paper. And then let's draw the ears next. So the ears go out and then we're going to draw a line back down. Almost like a triangle shape. All right, and let's do the same on the left. So line up and back down. All right, now I'm going to connect the bottom of the ears. So I'm going to start here on the left. And the bottom of his head is going to curve around and connect back up to his other ear. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the ear. I'm going to start on the left side. And we're going to kind of follow the same line that we drew for the outside of the ear. And then it curves around like that. Same on the right. Down and connect. Next, let's work on Baby Yoda's face. I'm going to start with the eyes. And the eyes are just a curved line up. And another curved line on the right. And let's connect it underneath. Perfect. And then to give the eyes a little bit more detail, I'm going to do a little curve here on the left and same on the right. And we can draw the little highlights in the eyes. Now to draw the nose, we're going to go right in between his eyes and do a slightly curved line. And then it connects kind of like a little triangle on the bottom. And two little lines here for the nostrils. And let's give Yoda a little smile. Now I'm going to add some details to his face. Let's do little lines up at the top. Little lines around the eyes. And underneath the eyes. Perfect. All right. Next, I'm going to work on Baby Yoda's clothes. So I'm going to start here on the left, and we're going to do a little line going down. Same on the right, right under his face, a little line going down. And we are going to connect those two. Okay, now I'm going to draw the sleeves. So starting on the left, we're going to do a curved line, and it's going to curve up like that. And let's do the same on the right. Curve around, and back up. Next, I'm going to work on the hands. So we're going to finish the clothes in just a minute, but let's draw his left hand. So I'm going to start over here at the top of this little, where it curves up. And Yoda has 3 little fingers. And then close it. Same on this side. Draw those 3 little fingers and close. Now we can connect the sleeves to the hands. So I'm going to draw a little line there to connect it, and then a line like that at the top. Same on the right, and connect it. Okay, right underneath the hands, we're going to draw the bottom of Baby Yoda's feet. And in this drawing, he's going to be sitting down. So that's why we see the bottom of his feet. And I'm going to start with the heel. So it's kind of like a V shape. And then 3 toes. Right, and the other foot, let's put right under this hand. So we're going to draw our V shape. And then draw the toes. And if you want, you can draw little lines in the toes to kind of give it a little bit more detail. Okay, now we're going to finish Yoda's outfit. So start over here on the left side underneath the sleeve, and we're going to draw a line going down, and it's going to connect to the foot. And then another line between the 2 feet. And let's connect the sleeve to the bottom. Now, if you want to draw some lines in the clothes to kind of give it a little bit more detail, you can. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Baby Yoda looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.